Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my knife skills are a little questionable, but my food is still delicious. Today we're going to make cheesy chicken and rice. We're going to start with the rice in a pan over medium heat. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Give or take. Now we're going to toast up 2 cups of rice. As the rice is cooking, we're going to keep stirring. We're going to get the rice nice and golden brown. Now to the rice, we're going to add 1 diced yellow tomato, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, we always go a little heavy on the garlic. We love garlic, so we're just going to cook this until it's translucent. Now to this, we're going to add 1 packet of Goya Sazon, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Toast these up a little bit. Now we're going to add 16 ounces of tomato sauce. And then 4 cups of water. That has come to a boil. We're going to reduce heat to low. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. Remember, you don't lift the lid. Leave the lid on. Don't stir it. Just leave it alone. Now that the 15 minutes are up, we're going to cut off the heat and let it sit for 15 minutes. Now we're going to take 2 pounds of chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts if you want. I prefer chicken thighs. We're going to cut them into thin strips. Skillet over medium heat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now the butter's melted and the oil's hot. We're going to add the 2 pounds of chicken strips into here. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. One tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin. 1 packet of the Sazon. And 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. We're going to cook this until the chicken's done. Now that the chicken's done, we're going to set it aside. And now it's time for the cheese sauce. To the pot, we're going to add in 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 16 ounces of queso blanco, 1 7-ounce can of diced green chilies, and 8 ounces of shredded pepper jack. We're going to cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the cheese is all melted. And there we have it, the cheese is melted. Now it's time to plate it up. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's better than the restaurant. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.